It's calling. Wait. Both feet. Is there anything wrong? I know. Ryan, how did y'all find out? No. You might. Oh my gosh. All right. Hold my phone. Hold my phone. This is hard. Oh my. Hide. Go.
Okay, yeah, go.
Ow, dude, I banged my shin really bad. What is going on? The snake is back. Alright. Bro, look what my leg's covered in, bro. What is this?
Oh, it's the stickers.
Yes, bro.
I don't have any.
No, also look at me ant bites I got on my finger. It's like bad.
Alright.
That was so stupid. We should have just gone with Matthias and none of that would have happened.
Yeah, I do see a wooden board over there. Oh, there is cameras, so. Yeah.
Not doing anything.
Alright. Never finding us. Alright. That's it. I got that on video. He lifted it up and a ton of dust came out. No? I'll let him go. Yeah, I think the whole place is unlocked. Right. Run. Oh, man. Get down. No way.
No, there's chains. It's chained. Let's go.
Alright, go.
Wait, there's cars. There's so many cars. Alright, go.
Oh my gosh. me set up an alarm.
Wait, what did you guys say? I think so. We can look. There was when you're recording sideways, when you're from the horizontal or in the
No, it's
You can just flip it.
It's easy.
Something stupid on the horizontal.
No, this.
Yeah.
Electrolyte. What flavor? Fruit punch. Is that good flavor?
No
No, it's kind
demo.
of like acidic. I don't like it.
No demo. We
Someone else has
Yeah,
been here,
somebody's
bro.
been here.
That could be from the original place.
Or maybe the construction people.
No.
No, like they brought their kid or something. It's like, well,
Maybe, but you don't bring kids.
yeah, you're right.
No, this definitely was part of it, because look at that wall.
Yeah.
There you go. What was this place?
Who knows?
Oh, yes.
Wait. Oh, is that like lodged in there?
The thing is, I don't know if this is gonna
No,
trip,
this
no?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's us.
Leave it, leave it, leave it. I'm pretty sure we're good. I don't think there is.
Well, yeah, we haven't seen this side.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any cameras.
We walked around the whole thing.
Wait.
Uncrustables, someone's lunch.
We have ranch packets.
Hey, let's go. Oh, you? Drew's welcome.
Drew's welcome.
Hey, do you think that means someone's here? This is gonna be nice. Let's go.
Someone's food.
Chicken Snickers. Hey, this is where we.
Construction workers gonna come back and blame everyone for their lost Snickers.
You doing over there? Yeah.
Are we done with
Okay, that's why it's to find a route back to us.
Yeah.
All right, right under us is the garage. Right now.
I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a shower.
What do they need showers in here for?
Yeah, shower.
This place is low-key big. Just keeps on going. Wait. Whoa, wait. I think it'll be back here.
Oh, that's gotta be where it is.
No.
I wouldn't open that.
It's a freaking electrical room. Oh, it's so hot. Wait, open the door properly. No, it's there's a door.
Hey, go down first.
Yeah.
Roof access is definitely up there. What a gem.
No, you opened that door and I saw lights and I was like, yes. What is it?
I'm gonna sleep outside.
Yeah. Don't open it. And then. Oh, so this was the door. Oh, so this was the first door. Whenever we turned from the parking, because the parking garage is right here.
Yeah.
And then we turned to the right. I tried this door, didn't work, and I hopped up that
Yeah,
wall.
there's these.
Yeah, these evil detectors.
Those things are.
Do you think they went off when we went in? Did we check? Wait, we should check because those might notify the cops.
No, it's we're already here. This is the parking garage.
Yeah. It's a store. This was like the old camera.
Oh my god, it's huge. Oh, it's up here too.
Oh no. It's gonna be like a huge latch.
No, it's just this.
Oh, yeah. No. Don't tinker with it.
Yeah.
We gotta go up.
We can't.
Yeah.
It's gonna trip.
No, but we got
How, bro?
Yeah, no.
Don't.
Matthias, no. No! Bro! Oh, we gotta get out.
I'm gonna crawl under and over. Or no. Go. Just go.
Go. Hey, cars. That might be bad. Some alarm flashed. Hey, let's go. Let's get out. Alright, walk. I go.
Alright,
Bro.
keep the GoPro.
You pushed it up, and it did like a little zzz, and it started flashing.
That's bad.